So, you sure it's a video?
No, it's filming.
Okay, so this is video take number 1 with Israeli movie money. So what I put in the sink here is some soap, some Axe gel, and some more Axe gel. And what we're going to do is see how fun it is to play with Israeli polyester money. So to make sure it's clean, we have to dip it in the money. This is real money. Note if you can see. Yes. So we put the money in the water and it does nothing. Literally nothing.
So you feel that?
Yes.
It feels the same.
It feels the same because it is polyester. So we've got to wash the water. Wash it nice and clean money. And as we see, it has not ripped. Water splatting, camera shaking. So to make sure, I know the germs on our money. And it is still the same. Wow! Thank you, Israel. What a great concept.